Welcome to the Archangel Michael Healing Center right here in the heart of Glastonbury, also known as the ancient Isle of Avalon. My name is Louis Krieg. I am the founder of the Crystal Sound Academy, and I'm also the proprietor of the Stone Age legendary shop promoting crystals for healing and transformation. Over the last 12 years in this magical space, I have downloaded a very powerful healing system that brings together some of the most ancient healing modalities on planet Earth, such as crystals, sound, Reiki, angelic healing, theta healing, and also some very, very ancient shamanic techniques, all coming together in this treatment that I call the crystal sound activation, that restores harmony within the body. It clears the chi flow, it activates all the chakras, and it reconnects people to their true soul purpose. It reignites their inner fire, or it, how I call it, retunes them to their original source frequency. After practicing this treatment for 12 years, doing over 1,300 one-to-one sessions on people with profound effects, after doing hundreds of group activations all around the world, I've decided 2 years ago to share this system, the crystal sound activation, with other people, to share what I have received and pass it on so other people can practice this amazing shamanic treatment all around the world. If you feel that this resonates within you, if you feel that you want to become a crystal sound activator yourself, then please get in touch with me over my website, thecrystalsoundacademy.com, and be welcome to join the Crystal Sound family to promote and bring harmony first to your own life, then to your surrounding, and eventually to our whole beautiful planet Earth. Blessed be. Have a beautiful day.